So I've been experimenting with Genially's new AI builder, and I was able to create a task hub where the learners can click the tasks in any order, but they have to complete all the tasks before they move forward. And I wanted to show it to you so you could see how cool this really is. So this can be used for so many different uses, but anything that you basically want your learner to do in any order, but it needs to get done before they can move forward. So here's an example I did of a new manager setup. So maybe they need to complete these tasks if they were just hired and they're a new manager, and they want to basically have these done before they can continue with their training. So for each of these, you would be able to have them click on it and they could just check off as they do the tasks, whether they're digital or not. But what's cool is you can actually make it go to another screen and then come back and it'll still have the items checked off. So you can also make it where it brings up windows and they have to answer a question. Or they can look at an image. So lots of things that they could have to do before that continue button shows up. So here's another example where it's more of a theme and it's just a little more fun. So you're doing a first week survival kit, and again, same concept of a manager needing to get started. And again, you can have it bring up windows, make them learn something, go to another page. You can always make it more themed like this. Have them answer questions before they continue. And then from there, they would be able to continue their training. So for this last example, it's basically if you had someone that was a customer and you wanted to get them onboarded, these are the tasks that they would need to do. So maybe it's a software, they need to connect their account or create their first project. So very similar, just again, you could bring up more windows, show them a video, and go to that team invite, set your goals, etc. And then again, just before they can continue, they have to check off all the tasks. So let me take you into the back end of the widget, and if you just double click, you'll see you can change the title font, the body font, the colors. This will be the title and the instructions. And then in the task management, you can add more tasks. So if you just wanted 3, you could add another one for a 6th one. And then you could add the icons if you wanted, the descriptions, and then what they do. And towards the very bottom, you would just use the button text and then what that button is supposed to do. Is it supposed to go to another page or play an effect or an audio? And then you just reorder the tasks. So if you wanted to move this one up here, it would just move those things around as you needed. So that is the widget. I hope you find this widget helpful. I will put it in the Genially community for you guys to reuse. Let me know any questions on it, and thanks for watching.